Here in this topic, we're going to talk about statistics. Now, statistics is a mathematical discipline. It's a branch of mathematics that studies the ways to collect, summarize, and draw conclusions from data. When you gather data together, which is we're talking about figures now. When you gather them together and you repeat that act of gathering data over a given period of time, you'll be able to predict what will come next. For example, in a country, in a city, you see countries, they take the population, take the census of a city within a period of maybe 10 years. And with that, they'll be able to know the trend, how the population is growing. And with that, the government will be able to predict in future how the population is going to be, and at the same time, how they can cater for the citizenry. And even with you, in your daily activities, there are some things you do. You take note of the data from time to time. You'll be able to say that, okay, by so and so year, this is what you are going to get. Now, in statistics, we have grouped data and ungrouped data. Now, first of all, let me show you the ungrouped data type. For example, what you have on the screen is the age of students versus the frequency. That is the number of students that have this given age. You have 4 students having age 8 years, 2 students having 9 years, and so on. So this is the raw data. This data has not been grouped. So this is what we call ungrouped data. On the other hand, this data is grouped. If you look at the other one I showed you, the frequencies, by the time we group them according to the age groups, you will see that you arrive at a table like this. You can see it's more summarized, it's smaller. From 0 to 10 years, we have 6 students. From 10 to 20 years, 17 of them had that age range, okay, and so on. So this is what we call the class interval. The class interval here is from 0 to 10, okay. Class interval is a range of numbers, okay. That's what we call the class interval, that is chosen for statistical purpose. Now you have the lower class limit for this given class is the 0, while the upper class limit is the 10. Is the frequency 6, okay. Then you have to talk about the mid class too. The mid class is when you add the lower class and the upper class and divide it by 2 to give you the mid class. So in this class, we are going to treat grouped data. We're talking about statistics.